If you're looking to customize your SuiteDash dashboard for maximum effectiveness, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the most efficient ways to personalize your SuiteDash experience so you can streamline your workflow and get the most out of this powerful tool. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll reveal an exclusive offer and an alternative that might be even better for your needs. Let's jump straight into the customization process. The first thing you need to do is personalize your dashboard widgets. SuiteDash allows you to choose which widgets to display based on what's most important for you. Go to your dashboard settings and you'll find options to add or remove widgets like your tasks, recent activity, calendar, and more. Pick and choose based on your preferences and goals. Whether you want quick access to your tasks or recent messages, this simple adjustment can make a huge difference. Next thing, let's talk about your navigation bar. SuiteDash provides a flexible menu system where you can reorganize tabs to match your daily workflow. By dragging and dropping the options in a sidebar, you can prioritize your most used features like invoices, projects, or client management tools. If you use SuiteDash for project management, consider placing your project dashboard front and center. You want to make sure the most crucial elements are just a click away. The third thing that can really improve your efficiency is setting up custom client portals. SuiteDash allows you to personalize your client's experience by adjusting what they can see and access in their portal. You can give them access to project files, invoices, or reports, but you can also hide sensitive information. This level of customization gives your clients a more professional experience and allows you to manage permissions more securely. Another useful feature is the ability to adjust your notification settings. SuiteDash sends out notifications about tasks, messages, and updates, but sometimes you might find yourself overwhelmed with too many alerts. Head to your notification settings and tailor them to fit your preferences. You can control how and when you're notified, ensuring that only important updates come through. The fifth thing to explore is SuiteDash's branding options. SuiteDash offers a white label solution, which is a great way to fully align the platform with your brand identity. You can change the color scheme, logo, and even the domain name of your SuiteDash platform to reflect your company's branding. If you're running an agency or a business that interacts with clients regularly, this is a must-have feature to ensure a seamless branded experience. Now, there's a feature that many SuiteDash users overlook but is incredibly powerful: custom fields. By using custom fields, you can track specific data points relevant to your business or clients. For instance, you could create fields for contract details, custom billing codes, or specific project milestones. This helps you gather data that's vital for your workflow and reporting. Let's wrap it up with one last tip. If you're looking to take your SuiteDash customization to the next level, consider using the API integrations. With SuiteDash's Open API, you can integrate third-party apps that you already use and automate your processes even more. Whether it's syncing with your accounting software, email marketing platform, or task management tool, this can save you time and reduce the need for manual work. Now that you know how to customize your SuiteDash dashboard for maximum effectiveness, there's an important offer I want to share. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of SuiteDash, but that's not all. I've also found some amazing alternatives that are better for specific goals, and they come with free trials as well. By using our link, you get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link in the description for more details.